We've all seen it. The Aston Martin DB5, forever immortalized as James Bond's car of choice. Sleek, stylish, and packed with ingenious gadgets, it's the epitome of cool. This iconic car is the perfect companion for Her Majesty's most lethal secret agent, and it's appeared in countless unforgettable scenes across the James Bond franchise. But what makes this particular Aston Martin DB5 so extraordinary? Originally built by Aston Martin in 1964, it came equipped with every gadget you could imagine. Think built-in machine guns, a bulletproof rear shield, a smokescreen, radar tracking systems, and more. Every detail screams spycraft excellence, making it more than just a car, it's a piece of cinematic history. Now this DB5 has been painstakingly restored to its full glory. It doesn't just look immaculate, it functions just as it did in Bond's world. Yes, you heard that right. Every single gadget works. This isn't just a collector's item sitting idle in a garage. It's fully operational, a tangible link to the world of espionage and action that captured our imaginations. Driving this DB5 is an experience unlike any other. It's heavier than your average car thanks to the extra equipment like electric motors and hydraulic systems powering the gadgets. The steering and brakes require more effort, giving it a solid, weighty feel. But here's the thing, none of that matters. You won't care about the heavy handling because the pure joy of being behind the wheel of James Bond's car eclipses everything else. It's not about precision or modern performance, it's about the thrill of piloting the ultimate fantasy machine, the world's largest and most incredible toy. And let's not forget the sound. Oh, the sound. This DB5 still roars with the unmistakable growl of an Aston Martin. This particular DB5 holds a unique place in history. Built to promote Thunderball, it traveled across America as part of the movie's promotional campaign, accompanied by actors from the film. It's not just a car, it's a piece of James Bond lore, a tangible reminder of the golden age of spy films. You might think a treasure like this belongs in a museum, preserved for history. But incredibly, this DB5 is heading to auction, giving one lucky fan the chance to own the ultimate piece of Bond memorabilia. So how much does it cost to own the coolest, most iconic big boy toy in existence? This DB5 is going up for sale at RM Sotheby's auction in Monterey. The estimated price? A cool $4 to $6 million. Yes, it's a steep price, but what better way to fulfill your childhood dreams? Owning this car isn't just about having a luxurious vehicle. It's about stepping into the shoes of James Bond himself. It's about living the fantasy, feeling the thrill, and embracing the legacy of one of cinema's most enduring characters. If I had all the money in the world, wow.